What's up, guys? So how do you sell with emails? First, you need to understand if you are not selling with emails right now, you are missing out on a lot of money. Because emails is just like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and all that kind of stuff, except that you have direct contact. With YouTube, you cannot directly contact people. With emails, you can. So it's the best way to make your sales because it's individual, meaning you have direct access to that person. You're sending an email to that email address, right? So it's the best way to sell online, to have email addresses. Now you need to understand we are not talking about spamming people. We only want to send emails to people who know us, who trust us, and with whom we have authority, right? If you are selling stuff about, for example, how to fish in a great way, and we are sending that to people who don't care about fishing, we are not going to make money. That's simple, guys. So first, you need to send it to the right people. If you don't send your emails to the right people, you're not gonna make sales. Even if you have the greatest email funnel, the greatest email, the greatest sales page, it doesn't matter. You need to send your emails to the right people. And the right people are people in your niche, right? They care about your subject and they care about you. They like you. They respect you. If they don't like you or respect you or trust you, whatever, if they don't want to do business with you, guess what? They won't do business with you. Look at yourself. You buy from people whom you trust, whom you think like, wow, I trust that dude. I think he knows how to do it, right? And you buy from those people. You don't buy from a stranger because that dude sent you an email. That's not how you will buy. You buy stuff from people you like and follow. So that's what I mean by right. So it's not about what you say. It's not about how you say it. It's about trust. It's about connection with your client. If you don't have that connection, you're dead. That's simple. In business now, especially online, you need connection. How do you connect? You send them free stuff. You help them in whatever they want to do. When you help people, you connect. For example, let's say you're going to fall and someone gets in there, you don't know that person, and that person just saves you and help you not to fall. Well, immediately you will connect with that person. You will have a bond with that person and you will like that person. And you will listen way more to that person than to the next stranger. So first thing, you need to get the right people by helping a lot of people. That's how you get the right people. Now, second, it is not about the email. It's not about what you say in that specific email. It's about the process that people go through. So it's about the funnel, guys. It's not about the specific email. If you send a specific email, yeah, you might get some sales from that. But the best way to do that is to have a funnel. Like, you will not make your living with one email. You will make your living with one funnel. Yes, not one email. So what is a funnel? Well, it's super simple. It's an email followed by another email, followed by another email, and so on, right? Until it's the end of the funnel. When new people get into my funnel, my fitness funnel, I will send them emails for like 2 to 3 months talking about different subjects. I will talk about losing weight by eating donuts every day. I will talk about losing weight by counting calories. I will talk about training. I will talk about a lot of stuff regarding fitness. And I will have every time an offer regarding that subject. So that is my funnel, guys. And you should have the same in your own business. Does it take time to build? Yes, you need to write emails, sales page, create product and that kind of stuff. But when it's done, it's like real estate, it's never going away. So you should do that 100%. And right there, we'll put you like a video. I think it was the first or second video where I show you the email funnel that I use to create $1,000 in one day. So great email funnel. You should use the same kind of stuff. You will see best results ever. Third, and you're going to laugh at that, most people don't read emails. You probably don't read emails. I don't read emails, except from the one from my clients. But most people don't read, right? So when you send an email, most of the people you're sending that email to won't read that particular email, right? So that means that you cannot just send one email and expect to make a bunch of money. If you have a list of 1,000 people and you send them an email, and if you're provided enough value, you could get a 20 to 40% open rate. That means that two or 4 people out of 10 people will open the email, all right? If you've provided enough value. So most people don't read emails, so you should write multiple emails. The way I go personally about this is that in a funnel, a specific funnel, I will always write at least 2 emails, right? So I give the chance to people to go there twice. And I do that because nowadays we receive so much emails that sometimes people just don't see the email. So I send it 2 times so they get a chance to take action on it and click on it and engage with the content, all right? So send at least 2 emails when you're sending about stuff, right? When you're trying to sell something, don't just send 1 email. Send 1 email and then the next day at like 7 or 8 a.m. send another emails with kind of similar content, different title for sure, because you're trying to get other people to open your emails and click on it, right? So change the title, best thing to improve your open rate, and just have that at least 2 emails to the same sales page or with the same page. And now we have the fourth step, which is the least important, right? The least important, because it really doesn't matter. You can really do that really how you want to do, right? You can have really good looking emails, you can have crappy looking emails. My emails look like shit because, well, I just write emails just like I would send it to a friend. So I don't care about great design, all that kind of stuff. I'm just sending emails and I speak in such a way that I'm really thinking like, all right, this person that is going to receive my email is my best friend. How would I write to that person? And I use a lot of you, right? I say a lot of you in that email. So fourth step is, how do you write that email? So first thing is you need the good title. The thing that will drive your open rate is first trust, like we saw, but your title will really help you. For example, how to lose 5 pounds. Okay, how to lose 5 pounds while eating donuts every day. Which one do you think is going to open the most? Well, yes, the second one. And then if the second one opens the most, it will get the most clicks, right? With the same text and stuff. Because it got the most open. When you have an email list, your main goal is to get as much open as possible. This is first step. Get it open. Second step is get it clicked on. How do you get clicked on? Simple. You put their name. If you don't see your name, you're probably not gonna be like, oh, what? So you can have the name. I don't always put the name in there because you need to vary, right? You can have your first email with the name, second email without, and when I say name, first name, right? And the second email without the first name. So you get their name, and then you begin with you. And I try to have every one of my sentence with you, right? I always try to get my every single sentence in that email with you. And I try to say you or yours or for you as much as possible in those emails. I write for people, I don't write for me. So I try to get that out of the way. My first line is about context. I try to give them content and I try to bait them into clicking, right? I just like tease them about the subject. For example, how to lose 5 pounds without and whatever, I don't remember what I said, but how to lose 5 pounds and eating donuts every day. All right, and my first line will be, maybe you're like me, you've used to struggle with weight loss, and man, it was tough. But when I discovered that I could eat donuts every day and still lose weight, life just got easier. And then I will get right below that a click, a call to action. And I will tell people, if you want to know more about this, you can check out this video that I just did for you right here. You know, like you tease them, call to action. Then I will give more context to it, right? And then I will again call for the click. I usually get 2 or 3 call for the clicks. I don't write big emails because nobody reads them. I usually write like, I don't know, maybe 10 sentences. Really short emails, sweet, short, go for it. people don't read emails. Just make it short, right? And that's simple, guys. It's not like really hard to understand this thing. What you really need to understand if you want to sell with emails is that the process is more important than what you put in the emails, right? It's more important to have the right ingredients than the right quantity of the ingredients. If you just follow this structure, you're good. You don't need to do much more than this. Writing the email is the easy part. The hard part is to have the right process, the right funnel, right? Create enough trust with people. That is the hard part. So you should not worry too much about this because this is really simple. You should worry about the 3 first steps to sell with emails, guys. And once you get that done, you'll see life will get easier. And that's all I wish for you. Alright guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel if it's not done already. Hit the bell button so, well, you can receive those videos because I make videos every day, right? So subscribe so you don't miss them because, I mean, this thing is important. You better do it right. You better do it because most people just don't do that, which is retarded in my mind. But man, if you're thinking about doing that kind of stuff, do it. It will really, 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 really help you guys. All right, I'm out. Subscribe if it's not done already. Like it if you liked it, and if you want more videos like this, just ask me in the comments. All right, guys. Cheers. Peace out.